The story begins with Eyal, driven by his personal need to monitor manufacturing quality of his own production lines. Frustrated by the limiting traditional tools and the stress of managing quality, he aspired to remove these challenges. His goal was not only to resolve quality issues, but also to access detailed and timely information. QualityLine is a game-changing online monitoring system that's seamlessly integrated with manufacturing testing stations. It empowers companies to take control of their production lines, addressing quality issues, instantly review quality concerns, analyze them, and pinpoint their root causes swiftly and effectively. QualityLine brings 25 years of experience in manufacturing quality management. It has successfully worked with dozens of mass production lines globally and experienced almost every challenge associated with mass production line management.